Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I've had this for just over a week and it's just been sat in my hallway and I've been procrastinating and fannying and all that shit, but we're opening now. It's Degustabox. I pay for this myself. It's not sent in PR. Filming on my phone because my camera has no battery. And we're in the kitchen. You're probably going to fall over. You're like balanced. Whoop, you're balanced. So stay still. Degustabox. I want to say it's like $11.99 a month. But when you buy it, you get a code. If you give that code to people and it's used twice, you get a free box. This is a free box because two of you lovely fuckers have used it. So let's get into it. Every month, I always need to do the disclaimer. Degustabox is full of snacks and stuff, but they will always use the highest price. Like if in Tesco's it's £3, but you can get it in the pound shop for £1, they're always going to say it's £3 to make the box value seem higher. So yeah, kind of take it with a pinch of salt as how much everything costs. But let's get in it. Fuck me. Oh, nearly dropped it. They have a theme every month. A theme that is generally a load of old shit. You get loads of crap. So this one is around the world. So, ooh, I can see cheese. So we're just going to jump in. The first thing I've got is lollies. These are £1.86, random price. Chupa Chups, world's #1 lolly. Everyone likes them. And these are a half size lollipop. So they're little tiny ones. Coca-Cola, gross. Strawberry, orange and apple. I'll eat these. I don't let the kids have lollies because I'm mean and I don't want them to choke. Not mean, but you know what I mean. What are you in bubble wrap? Tonic water, cranberry and ginger tonic water. Double Dutch. Ignore this nail and this fucker because they broke. I'm just going to pretend that's not happening. 90p. That seems cheap. Dive into a world of flavours with our range of premium mixes and tonics made with 3 types of ginger. Our fiery ginger beer is a perfect blend of spice and earthiness. Warm and tangy, complex and spicy with cranberry, and ginger tonic is perfect for dark spirits. So I'll just put that in the fridge and someone can drink it. I won't drink it, but someone will. Punchy. Peach, ginger and chai. This is £1.60. Our low calorie, all natural soft drinks are blended with the most decadent of ingredients. 50% of your daily vitamin D. And you can get blood orange, bitters and cardamom, peach, ginger and chai, or cucumber, yuzu, and rosemary. Let's try it. I don't like ginger, but I do like peach. So, and I don't know what chai tastes like because I'm uneducated. Oh! I don't like the smell. Come on. Oh my god! What the fuck is wrong with me? I don't like it. Ugh! It just tastes like ginger beer. There's literally no other flavour in there other than ginger beer. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. Oh, that was not what I wanted on an empty stomach. Idaho and perfect mash, buttery mash or cheddar, and I've got the buttery one. £1.65, and it's just like dry potatoes that you turn into mash. What are you? Maggie So Juicy, butter chicken and sweet chili halloumi. Oh, they sound good. 99p each. Maggie So Juicy makes it so easy to prepare a tasty meal with no stress or mess. And then they've got the 2 flavours. So butter chicken is one of my favourites, and sweet chili halloumi sounds delicious. So they will get used. Some tiny wraps. £1.20. Taco size, perfect for lunch boxes and as a light snack or lunch. So they'll get used. Oh, we got 2 of them. We got the original and the mini white. What are you? Ooh, satay noodles. Yum. I'm going to have that for my lunch. Plantastic. Protein boost satay noodles with sweet red pepper or Cajun rice with tomato and pepper. I'm happy. Oh, we got both. I was going to say I'm happy I've got this one, but we got both. £1.15 each. Excite your taste buds with their pots of deliciousness. Plant-tastic protein boost pots are bursting with flavour, high in protein and low fat for a quick and perfect meal. Yum. What are you? A box. Oh, God. That sounds horrendous. Stomach Ease. Ayurvedic blend with cardamom, fennel and ginger tea. You can either get detox, immune support or stomach ease. £2.75 each. Absolutely ridiculous. 17 tea bags. I'm not going to use them. I'll put them in the cupboard and I'm sure one of my hippie friends will come around and have them. We've got cheese, which I'm excited about. Serious Pig crunchy cheese. I've had these before and they're delicious. £1.60. What are the different ones? Crunchy snack and cheese. Why do they look different? There's two different. Oh, this one's with truffle. Fuck me. Let's try it. You're getting all the good faces today. Lucky you. It's just crunchy cheese. I used to buy, what was the ones I used to buy off Amazon? I'll put a picture of them here. I can't remember what they're called, but they're delicious. Cheesies, I think. I don't like the smell. Oh my God. That is fucking disgusting. Honestly, it's ruined good crunchy cheese. That is absolutely foul. I'm not happy about that. And I only got that one. I didn't get the normal one. Gross. Nope. Okay, and then lastly, the kids will be happy. The Cocoa Pops choco things. So these will get used. They were whinging at me this morning. They didn't have any chocolate cereal. So they'll be happy with that. No. Excuse me. No, I'm not a fan of that at all. No. The lollies will get used, the Maggie stuff, the wraps, the Cocoa Pops, the noodles, and the mash. No, it's not my favourite box. That's been the worst one for a while, I feel. I'm sorry for all the gags and the burps, but that is just life. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. You should definitely subscribe. I don't know where the button is. I'm like 7 years of doing this and I still don't know where the bloody button is. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.